Discover the amazing birds of Jammu and Kashmir. First up is the Himalayan monau, the state bird of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. This striking bird thrives in coniferous and alpine forests. Look at its rainbow colors. Next, we have the Koklas pheasant, known for its olive-brown plumage and shyness. Observe the elusive western tragopan, or jujurana, with its colorful patterns. Meet the rare and endangered Kashmir flycatcher with its bright orange throat. The blue whistling thrush, with its deep blue body, is renowned for its melodious call. The black bulbul stands out with its glossy black feathers and bright red beak. Next, the golden oriole brightens up the environment with its yellow body and sweet calls. The mighty Himalayan griffon vulture soars above, marking its presence in the ecosystem. Finally, meet the streaked laughing thrush, known for its cheerful calls and group behavior. And last but not least, the yellow-billed blue magpie, a curious long-tailed bird